What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the SoundPeats Capture 3 Pro Plus. Now, these are high-res audio wireless earbuds, and they support LDAC. So a big shout out to SoundPeats for sending these over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So some of the features and details. These have 12mm dynamic drivers. They feature the X-Memes micro speakers, second gen app chip. Now with the X-Mems, that means you're going to get better clarity and instrument separation while you're listening at your music. These are hybrid active noise canceling headphones. They feature Bluetooth 5.3, multi-point connection. They have gaming mode. They have IPX4 dust and water resistant. You're going to get about 6.5 hours of playtime, 43 hours with the case. These have a 35 milliamp hour battery. They are not wireless charging, and they work with the SoundPeats app. Now that's going to work with Android and iOS. So those are a few of the features and details. Here's the packaging that they come in. As you guys see, you got a nice picture of the earbuds there. Got their logo there, high-res audio, wireless, LDAC. At the top, you got SoundPeats, nothing on the sides. And then on the back, some of the same information that I gave you. Besides over here, you got your frequency range, maximum walking distance, and things like that. So here's the packaging. We're going to get the unboxing knife out and check these out. All right, guys, so we have the unboxing knife out. Let's go ahead and cut this and get these out of the packaging. So I've worked with SoundPeats on numerous of times, and they make some excellent earbuds, and these are supposed to be the best so far. So let's get it out of this sleeve. All right, here we are. So let's go ahead and check out the packaging. So very nice packaging here. Let's take a look at that. Do have their logo there. Let's go ahead and get the top open. So it just folds back. Very nice presentation here. So we got a packet here. Let's go ahead and see what's included in this. Right here is how you open it. So inside of this, we're going to have some different size tips here, it seems. Let's go ahead and open this up. Check this out. All right, so you got different size ear tips. I'm probably going to have to use the smallest ones. That's normally how it goes with me. You're also going to get your charging cable. Let's go ahead and check this out. So here's your charging cable, Type-C to USB-A. You're also going to get your user's guide. In here, it's going to tell you everything that you need to know. And you get some stickers. Check that out. You get some stickers there. So looking good so far. And then here are the earbuds. And I do like the matte case so far. Looks great. We're going to set that over there. So on the case, it says, hear your imagination. So there it is. Look like we got a LED indicator light there. Here's the bottom of it. Your charging port, Type-C. Look like you got a Bluetooth button here. This is kind of a gold color as well. And then on the back, you got SoundPeats. Looks nice. Very nice case here is matte. And then opening it up, here we are. You guys can see the inside of that. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take one out and closely examine it. There's some blue tape here to keep it from being active in the case. So here we are. As you guys see, you got your logo there. Very nice. Maybe some plastic there, maybe not. And then at the bottom, you got your microphones there. And then here's your ear tip right here. That looks like a mic right there as well. Yeah, so very nice, lightweight, comfortable. This is the stem design here. And it is marked right. Got an R on there for the right. And then you're going to have the same thing with the left as well. Here they are. They're not that big. Very nice size. Let's go ahead and get that blue tape off of there. There it is. And so here they are together right here. Right there. Not too big. Very lightweight feeling. And we're going to go ahead and get these paired up. Let's take a look at the inside of the case. Here's the inside of the case right there. see if these are magnetized here. So we're going to drop these back in. So yes, they are magnetized. They're not going to come out. And there's your green light right there. So I'm going to get my phone. We're going to come back and get these paired up, and we'll take a look at them. Okay guys, so we are back in. I have these connected to my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I have downloaded the Peats Audio app, and we're ready to go, man. So we're going to take a look at the app real quick. Connecting this to your device is very easy. You go into your Bluetooth, connect it, and then you sign up for a little account with the Peats Audio app, and you just follow the simple instructions right there. Now, you can use these without having this app, but you get so much more features when you have the app. So in the app, as you guys see, Capture 3 Pro Plus, you see both of the earbuds. You can see the battery percentage. Now, if you have more than one set of earbuds, SoundPeats earbuds, they will be listed here. So I only have one set up. You go back in, this is the main page. So over here, the hamburger menu, it's going to give you the device information, firmware update, if you had an update, reset. And you have a few languages that you can choose from right there as well. Right down here, you got your noise canceling mode, normal, and transparency. Go down a little bit farther, double device connection feature. So if you click this, it's going to give you a warning here. Turn on the dual device connection function, and the LDAC function will be turned off, and the headset will reset, and after restart, connection of the device is needed. So it's going to turn off the LDAC if you do multi-connection. So just be mindful of that. You can disable touch, got gaming mode, and then you got your custom key. Now this is where you can go in and assign what you want each earbud to do. So out of the box, this is what it is. One click, turn the volume up and down on your left and right. Double click, it's going to pause and play on your left and right. Triple click on your left is going to be game mode. Triple click on the right is voice assistant. And long press on your left and right, previous track and next track. I did change this to previous track. It was set up to something else. But you have a list of things you can change it to right here for each bud. So that is that. Let's go back. The next over here, this is going to be your equalizer. Now you can do an ear test thing right here. I didn't do it yet, but it tells you all of the information you need to do that. Guess to get the best sound. You got your presets here. You got more, so you guys can see all of them. SoundPeats Classic, Treble, Bass Boost. I'm going to set that to that. Bass Reduce, Electronic, Pop, Classic, Rock, and Folk. You also can set up your own customized EQ here and save it. If you want to, you can name it, whatever you want to do there. And then the last page over, you can name these, give them a specific name if you want. You got your user's manual, contact us, online, official web mail, frequently asked questions, feedback, and you guys see there on and on. So the app is not bad. Very nice app here. So I'm going to go ahead and use these for a day. The next part of the video, you see, it'll be one day later, and I'll give you guys my opinion on these, what I think about them, and from a non-audio file person. So be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back. It's been about 24 hours since the first part of the video. I've had a chance to use these about 3 or 4 hours, 3 to 5 hours out of the 24 hours. So I got a good feel for them. Now, remember, I'm not an audiophile, so just from a guy who has quite a few earbuds and like to, use these to listen to music and watch movies and things like that. So they have been great, man. I've truly enjoyed, the time that I used them. Let's go ahead and start talking about it. So let's go ahead and see how fast they connect to my phone. Just open up the top, and as you guys see, they connected just that quick. So you're not going to have any issues with them connecting. Now you can use these one at a time. You don't have to have both of them out. So you can use them like that. So let's start off talking about the comfort and fit. These are very comfortable in my ears, man. I put these smaller ear tips in there, so I was able to get a nice tight fit in there. So ANC was excellent. I could hear everything very well. Turned off a lot of the background noise. In fact, I didn't hardly have any. Now the transparency mode was good. If I wanted to stop these and have a quick conversation, put them in transparency mode, and very nice. So normal mode is just normal. I mean, I couldn't really tell a difference with the normal mode, but ANC was really nice on these. So the comfort and fit were good. I didn't have any ear fatigue, and I felt like I could wear them a long time. So as far as the touch controls, they're very nice, man. In your ear, very easy to hit the landing point, which is about right there. Here's a little sample of how that works. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at the touch controls. If I wanted to raise the volume up, simply tap one time and I can raise it up. Just tap like that. That's raising it up. Works well on the right earbuds and the left earbud. If I wanted to lower it, I tap one time and just start tapping and it brings it down. As you guys see right there, works great. Very little tap on it. If I wanted to pause the music, double tap. That pauses it. If I want to start it again, double tap. That starts it there. If I wanted to bring up the voice assistant, tap 3 times. What's the weather outside? And it brings up the weather pretty quickly, as you guys see. And we can get out of this. And the music is playing. If I wanted to fast forward to the next track, I just hold down on it, long press. It goes to the next track. I can start playing it. If I wanted to go back, just long press on the left one. And it goes back to the previous track. So touch controls are excellent on this. They work great while they're in your ear as well. So let's get back to the video. So as you guys see, touch control was excellent, works excellent on these. You're not gonna have any problem, answering phone calls, skipping to the next track, whatever you wanna do with this. Bringing up voice assistant works great. So let's get to the sound with these. And like I said, I had an excellent fit with the smaller ear tips. Phone calls were great. The mics on here sound good from what people tell me. Here's a little sample of the mics. Okay, guys, so now we're listening to the microphones on the SoundPeats Capture 3 Pro Plus. This is what the mic's going to sound like if you're on a phone call or conference call or something like that. This is what they look like in my ears. Very comfortable, lightweight, and this is the sound quality. So let's go ahead and finish the video. So as you guys see, you shouldn't have any issues with people hearing the mic sound pretty good on here, and receiving phone calls are going to be, you're going to have some excellent phone calls. So doing things like watching movies and videos, there was no latency in between what I was seeing and what I was hearing. So these were excellent for doing, watching videos and movies. You're going to get a pleasant experience and be immersed in what you're watching. For gaming, I'm not a big gamer, but I did do some light gaming with these on. And, the gaming mode was on, and, it was great. I had a great experience. So gaming was good using these. Now, as far as listening to music, the XMEMS feature on here, when you listen at instrumental, it just seems like, I said, I'm not an audiophile, but it just seems like I could hear the instrument clarity a whole lot more. I was just immersed in the sound. The bass, the mids, and the highs were great on this. Definitely the bass, man. I like the bass, but these sound excellent to me. Very comfortable to wear, no problems with them fitting my ears, and I do like the stem style anyway. So come with a nice carrying case right here, charging case. I do like that it is matte. Looks great. Those shiny ones I don't care for, and I do like the gold accent. These are the SoundPeats Capture 3 Pro. I like them. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to go pick these up. Will H. I'm out.